and look at these nice colors. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here, and Vector and Cozmo. About a year ago I did a review of these tracks for Cozmo, but they are not from Anki. In fact, I have a set here from Anki, as you can see, and the threads are linear, but I was looking for something a bit more aggressive, and if you look at these, they are V-shaped. So this is from Hexnub, and the same company just released a set for Vector. Look at this here. And this is very cool for two reasons. First reason, there are not many options here for accessories for Vector, so it's cool to have these. They're only $13 US on Amazon. I'll put the link in my video description. The second reason why this is so cool, let me open the box and show you. I'll put this on the side, put it over here, and look at these nice colors. They are exactly the color that you can have for Vector's eyes, believe it or not. I'll show that to you in a few seconds. First of all, let's put a set on Vector. To remove the tracks, it's easy if you remove the back first, the small wheel, because it's easy with the small wheel and there is no fender like in the front. So like so. We'll use green because at the moment I have green eyes with my Vector. So to put the tracks back on, you just do the front first and just like this. So again, remove the back first and put the front first and then the back, just like that. Look at this, very, very cool. Before I wake up Vector, just want to say something. Cozmo is a little smaller than Vector. He's less wide, but the wheelbase is about the same. So I'm wondering if these tracks would fit Cozmo. So I'm just curious here for a second, and let me see here. Well, actually, they fit very well. Yes, they do. So I'm going to put the whole set, so we have both of them here. They fit quite well. They're a little bit wider, but still they fit quite well. So now let's wake up our Vector and see the different colors. So let's wake him up. As you can see, Vector is now awake, and look at the colors here. The green and the tracks, I mean, they fit perfectly. And if you look at the app, you also have blue and purple, and that would fit perfectly with the blue here and these purple tracks. So this is very cool. Now we have accessories we can buy to customize your Vector. And the color scheme is excellent, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.